Human behaviour is obviously will have a big impact on the spread. So why is it so impactful?
Well, I think if you look at the situation that we find ourselves in, I mean, there's no single magic bullet that's going to cure this pandemic. I mean, there is no vaccine, and a vaccine could be some years off even. There is no therapeutic treatment that you can cure yourself with this. There's no herd immunity in place that will reduce the spread. So all those normal controls that you can exercise to control infectious diseases aren't available to us. So the only way we can control this is by social distancing and behaviour such as washing your hands regularly. So it's within our hands, literally, how we can control this pandemic.
You're doing a webinar with Lisa Ackley on human behaviour and its effect on the COVID-19 pandemic. So would you be able to tell us a little bit more about the webinar and some of the things you'll be covering with Lisa?
So we'll be looking at good practice. Now, where does it work? Where do you get people into a place where they're automatically going to do the right thing? You can educate people, but to be honest with you, training can give you a full sense of security. Just because you tell somebody to do it this way doesn't mean they're going to do it this way. You can bring in as many regulations as you like, but is that going to actually change somebody's behaviour? So that's what we're going to explore, some of the really practical tips you can put in place that is not just about encouraging people to do the right thing, but almost in making sure they exert the right behaviour and keep themselves safe and society safe.
Thank you, Sterling, for telling us a little bit more about the webinar. Is there anything else you'd like to add?
We always look forward to doing these. They're terrific fun. And although half the webinar is about kind of transmitting and saying, look, this is what we know, this sharing knowledge, the bit we really enjoy is the conversational part, which is the second part, where people have the opportunity to answer the questions. We do our best to answer, and certainly if we haven't got the answer, someone that attends normally has the answer for us. So it's a great way of just talking and exchanging information. Really looking forward to it.